try the car wash here at Columbus, Ohio. The Google Car Wash. They have a good service actually. And a free complete vacuuming. Here's the free vacuum after the car wash. So it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit here in Ohio. It's very beautiful sunny day and it's still winter, but this is good weather right now. So everyone is having their car wash. Look at the line. Wow. Everyone is taking advantage of good weather. It's like 2 lanes. Right there, this is going to the car wash. So this is the self-service vacuum area after the car wash. So it looks pretty busy here right now. Like the line is so long and everyone is, you know, pretty busy also in cleaning their interiors, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do later after the car wash. Hopefully there are vacant slots here. So it's not expensive and it's actually affordable, including all this, you know, amenities or services they have for free. We're almost here. Wow. We're almost to the finish line. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside the machine, car wash machine. So that's their prices. I think I'll choose the best one. Maybe let's do the works wash. Right there, that's their prices. Maybe I will try the $12. Do you think so? Let's do the $15. It's with Ultra Seal. That's their package with Ultra Seal up to the free vacuums. The $18 is with foam wall shine. So I got the $15. There you go. Can I go now?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. That's the Google Express CarWash. It's actually. I'm excited. I'm excited.
No break.
Yep. There you go. I love this. It's cool. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. They're like octopus. Wow, that's a new one. Ah, what is that? That's new. Wow. There you go. That's the process. Looks cool. done. Now we're going to vacuum the interior. Good, right? Looks good. Looks brand new. It's clean. It's clean. We're done. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye.